Cincinnati, Ohio homeowners have been paying excessive amounts to install, repair, or replace their air conditioners and furnaces. Our commitment is to bring about a positive shift across the tri-state region and the nation at large. There are no gimmicks or hidden fees. We publish our pricing and services so you know exactly what you're getting. Go ahead, compare us to the competition. They're charging up to 5 times more for a basic install with entry-level equipment. How do we do it? We're a nationwide HVAC wholesaler. We ship more units in a day than a local company sells in a year. We buy low and sell low. The other guys buy low and sell high. We're committed to selling at a low price to pass the savings on to you. We've been selling to contractors in the greater Cincinnati area for years, and now we're selling to you at the same price. Whether you're a business or a homeowner, everyone should be able to buy directly at low prices. That's our mission. Low prices, great service.